Welcome to Great Mats, where you can expect great service. Today, I'll be talking about gymnastics mats. This category or family of mat types includes panel folding mats, wedge mats, octagon mats, roll-up mats, and landing pads. All of these mat types are made with a vinyl cover with foam on the inside. One exception is the roll-up mat. This mat is carpet bonded to a foam base. For folding mats, the vinyl cover is cut and sewn to size, and then the foam panels are inserted into the cover, the ends are sewn closed, and then the flanges and connector strips are added. The panels on the folding mats are 2 feet wide and either 4 or 6 feet long, and these mats can be custom ordered in any color to match school designs. Now, commercial grade mats are made with a more dense or firm foam material in order to last longer, be more durable, and thus are more expensive. For home mats, these mats can be less durable because they're used less and will be generally made from a lower density foam, a less firm foam, and will cost less to the customer. Please review our website for sample options and more product details, or give us a call and speak with a knowledgeable customer service associate. Thanks for watching.